Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn on lift to wake up the screen in your phone Moto G04. If you lock your phone and if you lift your phone just like that, your phone will wake up. Okay. If you want to turn on this option, go to settings of your phone here, then go to display, then go to lift to wake. Okay, just make sure that this is turned on. Okay, already it is turned on in my case, so I lock my phone and just I lift like this, and see here phone screen is waked up. Okay, if you turn off this option now, if you lift like this, phone screen will not be wake up. Okay, so to wake up your phone screen by lifting your phone, just turn on this button, and then now if it is your phone is locked and if you lift your phone screen will be waked up. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn on lift to wake up this screen in your phone Moto G04. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.